Well, we're deep into the drudge work now of the refactor. So we've got the implementation complete, and now it's just testing. And it is testing. Where we're doing things like this. So we log entry test the getters and the setters, set everything, get everything. Test the getters and the setters. And then you end up with something slightly more interesting like commit node. And it's like, okay, here's the test of validation. We've got like 20 something tests. You say, okay, create the commit node, set all this stuff, make sure it works, set this, set this. Oh, look, hash is invalid. So just a whole bunch of that, to test all of this validation. And the validation logic is actually in the documentation. So it's just kind of copying it down, getting it done. And it's not actually the implementation that took so long. It's the comments. It's all of the Java doc and the explanation of what's happening and going in and making it a little bit verbose, but you could shorten this, but it wouldn't be as clear. Working on things like that, or commit, just going in here and making explicit errors and all those nice things that you love as a consumer of a well thought out kind of API and project, but as a developer of the project itself, you just going, oh, please make it stop. So, I was thinking it was going to be half day, but I sorely underestimated. I haven't even started ripping the old stuff out of the vGraph Java. I'm still working on the vGraph API. I did make the switch over to JSON with the Commons codec, checking versions and whatnot. So everything's going well on that front. It's just more grunt work, and luckily I have some YouTube music and just random stuff to play in the background, such that when it becomes too mind-numbing after 45 minutes, you can just sit back and just go, okay, glaze over for 5 minutes, and it's like, okay, back in we go. So I'm assuming that tomorrow's daily will be pretty much like this one. more grunt work, but moving things along. And undo will work. You can apply anything. It'll reformat it and merge and conflicts and happiness. So it's good. Well, before I get too excited, that's it. Take care.